Hey, it's Eric, and today we're going to be looking at my most recent purchase of the Suncast trash can. Now, I did pick this one in the color called Cyberspace, which, as you can see, it's kind of like a darkish grayish. From the photos, it was really hard to tell, so I hope this video helps you. They have something else called Peppercorn, and I thought there was like a lighter gray, so I went for this one. Now, my father-in-law has this trash can in brown, and he's had it for probably 8 to 10 years, and he's never had an issue with this. He keeps it outside, he keeps it in the snow, rain, wind, everything, and it has never even shown any dents or scratches. It is in perfect condition. So that is why I picked this Suncast for my own deck, and I wasn't quite sure how you put it together, but as you can see here, it took me maybe about 10 minutes to do. There are no tools required, believe it or not. All you need to do is snap it together, follow the instructions. You push one piece into the other piece. You might need a fist just to kind of hammer it into place. Literally, it took me about 10 minutes to do. It is super easy. And for those who are wondering, yes, the lid does latch on. So if you're worried about trash blowing out or maybe animals getting in, no need to worry, because there is that little latch that will keep it shut. I do put a big black bag. I think these are like 40-gallon bags, maybe 39-gallon bags, but this is only a 33-gallon container. I like the bigger bag, so that's what I do, and I can't wait to use this out every day during the summer when I'm grilling outside. I hope this review was helpful. I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.